In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create layers in AutoCAD. Layers are the backbone of an organized drawing. They let you separate different kinds of information like walls, dimensions, furniture, or center lines, so you can control visibility, color, and plotting with a single click. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a layer, style it, and make it the active place to draw. Start by opening your drawing, then head to the Home tab. In the Layers panel, click Layer Properties to open the Layer Properties Manager. This window is where you'll manage everything related to layers. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also open it by typing LA and pressing Enter. In the manager, you'll see a list of any existing layers, along with columns for things like on, off, freeze, lock, color, line type, and line weight. Don't worry about all of those now. We'll focus on the essentials you need to get started. Next, create a new layer. Click the New Layer button, the one with the star icon. A new row appears, typically with a default name. This is your fresh layer. Giving it a clear descriptive name makes your drawing easier to navigate later. For example, naming it doors, dimensions, or electrical tells you and your team exactly what belongs there. Consistent naming is a small habit that saves a lot of time. With the layer selected, set its appearance. Click under the color column to choose a color that stands out from your background and other layers. Colors can help you visually sort your drawing and, in many plotting setups, control line weights in printed output. Then choose a line type. If you need dashed or centerline patterns and don't see them, click to load additional line types and pick the one that matches your standard. Finally, set the line weight. Thicker line weights help important elements read clearly on paper, while lighter weights keep secondary details subtle. If you're following an office standard, match those settings. Otherwise, choose values that make the drawing legible and consistent. Now make the new layer current, so anything you draw goes onto it automatically. With your layer highlighted, click Set Current in the Layer Properties Manager, or select it from the Current Layer drop-down on the Home tab. You'll see the current layer name update, confirming you're ready to draw on it. From here on, lines, arcs, and objects you create will land on this layer using the color, line type, and line weight you just defined. That's all there is to it. Clean, organized drafting made simple.